What's going on, guys? I'm AJ. Welcome to another episode of Davis Drives. And today I got two classic trucks for you. A 38 Ford and a 48 Chevrolet right behind you. But Tim, first, roll the intro. All right, guys, so like I said, I got two trucks to bring you. And starting out, we got this beautiful 38 Ford V6 engine. So Tim, take a look at that. Custom wheels, custom paint job. As everybody loves, it has, of course, custom interior. And yes, the AC does work in this truck. It's an automatic. Has the wood grain bed as well. And custom exhaust. But hey, if you're not a Ford guy and you don't like V6 trucks, I do have one more thing. If you just want to follow me right out here, we have a custom 1948 Chevrolet 3100 Thriftmaster. And of course, another beautiful example of a truck. This one is currently set up on airbags. And like I said, it is an inline six. Tim, if you want to go ahead and catch the inside of the engine on this one. Again, this one is a custom truck from one of our customers who have a private collection of an immense amount of cars. He got this truck from Mecum Auctions. As you can see, it also has the big white walls, period. Everything is period correct on the truck. Little addition with the visor. Custom interior. This one, instead of like the 38 Ford, is an automatic. This one is equipped with a manual transmission. And of course, the fun switches for the airbags. So I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth on this one. I'm gonna have Tim catch some B-roll shots. I'm gonna work the air ride, let you hear the exhaust, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Come on down. And then when you're ready to leave, just simply raise it on back up and you're good to ride. guys. Later.